Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day in this one. Now, volume wasn't nearly as strong as it was, but I mean, volume had been just at monstrous levels. So yeah, the volume dropped down quite a bit, but it is still very, very respectable volume. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is actually a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now. But the first level here is just, and really the first update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that watched the previous videos, hopefully remember me talking about that 950 mark being an area of support. But with a gap down this morning and then the price breaking down below it as it did right there, at that point, that is when you would expect it to act as resistance. So by no means am I saying that the price can never, ever get back above 950. All I'm getting at is that if there is a continued, sideways movement and then attempt back upwards, the big question mark now becomes, can the price break back above 950? That'll be, hurdle number one in order to get, everything kind of turned back around and get the uptrend back on the trajectory it was on. So, and on that same note, I'm not saying that just because the price breaks above 950, that for sure guaranteed this thing's going back up to $14. All I'm saying is that would be a very big step in the right direction of kind of getting things turned around from this pullback that, the price is currently enduring. So definitely $9.50, important level of resistance to watch. As far as levels of support are concerned, near-term level of support right now to keep a close eye on, which the price has so far done a good job of holding up above, is at $8 mark, which is good because when you look back here, after that gap up, that was the lowest it essentially went on the gap up. And then once again, the price is going sideways right there. And the other reason why $8 is important is if the price does not hold above there, then that puts the price in no man's land because the next level of support, not until down around 635, which is that gap close location. Now, I'm not saying that the gap is for sure guaranteed going to close. I'm just saying it just puts it in kind of this, general area here of the chart where there just aren't any other areas of potential support. So keep your eye on these technical levels and let's see how this one plays out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.